Welcome to another lesson about the art of programming with Python. This lesson begins the module on expressions, which are the most fundamental blocks of computation. Don't let the mathematical name of this tool mislead you. Studying it will uncover some essential principles of the art of programming. In this lesson, you'll take your first steps into programming by writing and running a program that demonstrates all the essential parts of an expression. This program will also solve a realistic problem, which we'll use as a running example throughout the module. Our running example will be a math challenge. Rest assured, the ideas we cover will be useful in all kinds of areas, not just numbers. So, suppose Alex, Bella, and Chris are a sales team. In their first month, Alex closed 15 sales, and Bella 10. Chris, on the other hand, had only 2 leads, neither of whom bought. But each of those leads referred 2 friends, who in turn brought 2 more friends who did buy. In the second month, the whole team decided to try out Chris's strategy, and they ended up selling to 2 acquaintances of each existing customer. The question is, how many sales did the team land in the second month? In a math class, you'd probably tackle this problem with a formula like this. We simply add up the sales of the first month and multiply them by 2. The sales of the first month are the 15 sales of Alex, the 10 sales of Bella, and the 2 to the power of 3 sales of Chris. 2 to the power of 3 represents the fact that Chris began with 2 leads and doubled the number of leads twice. Now, instead of crunching the numbers by hand, we will write a Python program and let the computer do the computation. As a programming environment, we'll use Google Colab, a fantastic tool for experimenting without having to worry about software installations. Head over to Google Colab. After signing into your Google account, click the blue button to open a new notebook. Before diving into coding, we'll ensure Google Colab doesn't slow our progress by offering too much convenience too soon. Please navigate to the settings, head over to the editor section, and make sure the box for automatically triggering code completions is unchecked. Now scroll to the bottom and click the Save button. Let's jump into coding. Here is the program to perform the required computation. In the following lessons, we will explore every detail of this program and learn lots of interesting things. For now, please pause the video and type the code exactly as you see it. To run the program, hold the Control key and press Enter. It might take a few seconds, maybe even 5 or 10 the first time, but soon the result will appear. If you get an error, don't worry. Just double-check your typing and make sure you haven't missed a parenthesis. And if you didn't get an error, I urge you to try and introduce it. Just remove one of the parentheses and see what happens when you try to run the program. I urge you to actually pause the video and perform these actions. Got it? Congratulations! You've both run your first program and got your first experience fixing one. That completes this lesson. Here are the key takeaways. We have learned how to create a notebook in Google Colab and run a program. We have also learned that a program may not run because of a small typo, such as a missing parenthesis. We will explore this important fact more in the next lesson.